Hello everyone, I'm Expandable Container House Sales Manager Tom from Weizhengheng Group. Today I'm going to introduce this most popular product, Expandable Container House, to you with beautiful view. Our company sells more than 500 sets of container houses to many overseas countries. So now let's go. Nowadays, a lot of people prefer to build container houses in their own lands. The time of making expandable container house has been very fast now. The transporting of container house also very convenient. After it arriving to your land, you only need few times and workers to finish installing it. We have some farmer customers who bought the expandable container house using in their farms, sometimes in island countries. They would like it personal and worker using. Also, we have many container projects in mine camps and army camps. Containers also can making temporary office and warehouses. This container house has very special performance in bad weather place. To be a fast reconstruction house after disaster, it defends level 12 typhoon winds. Easy to see, expandable container house is a good choice for take refuge and emergency temporary living, because it is too easy to assemble and fix. According to your different recent and future plan, it is very easy to change different diverse layouts. Another one advantage of expandable container house is customers they can fitting it with many own building options. They can buy an extra steel structure roof for waterproofs and beautiful. Nowadays, in the harsh areas, everyone needs solar power if you don't have electric power supplies. That is very convenient. Other than that, expandable container house can be a trailer house before opening. Trucks can drag it to many places for secondary using. Outside lights and support bars are designed for customers living convenient. They are very small, but after we installing expandable container house, looks more humanized and practical. The weight of this expandable container house achieving 4 tons. For meeting the different council's requirements, our engineers went to over 20 countries, studied and found out how can containers become perfect. They think not only frames, but also the security sliding door, windows, wall panels, roofs, all of them need strong. No matter how hard environment is, the high climbing structures and tightness of expandable container house must be the best solution of saving. Now let me introduce some details of expandable container house when living inside. First, we can see the main frame of that. All of structure frames in container house we're using hot galvanized steel. They will never get rust in future. The front door is the most important for security. You can choose glass sliding door or steel security door when you order it. All of windows, we can see the flying screens and securities are there. Let's coming into container. Whatever living rooms and kitchens, the layout of them is very practically. All the electric we can make Americans, Europe, Australia's socket and distribution box. When standing into the bedroom, the space is really big. The interspace between floors and panels, you can see there are very nice aluminum strips and glues. After deal with this, it looks very beautiful. All the introduction of expandable container house has finished. This product is going to everywhere around the world to help people finish their dreams. In future, Weizhengheng Group will research and development more useful container houses for customer demands. Please follow our company. We make your life to be comfortable.